Does your Harley ride as comfortably as it could? There are 3 aspects to having the ultimate comfort. Click the link in the upper right to see this video in email format.
So the 3 aspects to the comfort triangle are butt placement, foot placement, and hand placement. And it's important to go through each of these in order so you don't end up having to redo some part of it after you get something done.
More comfort equals more miles of enjoyment.
Rad looking bike, but it's not something you would think someone would ride across the country on, for example. Not Kevin. He rode across on this Sportster. What was it, the Hot Bike Tour a couple years back?
Yeah, it was like 8 or 10 years ago on the Hot Bike Tour.
Yeah, and that was what? That's like almost 3,000 miles, right?
I think it was 2,700.
So what?
10 days.
In this video linked in the description, Kevin shares how he made his twin cam Softail more comfortable.
All right, the next thing that I do for comfort, I did this on my Heritage, I would do it on any Softail I had, I would do it on any Dyna that I had, is highway pegs with heel rests. And I like these right here. It gives your foot a place to be here, top of your foot can be here, heel can be here, toe can be here, heel can be down there. It just gives you so much more room.
Also linked below are ways Dwayne made his M8 Softail more comfortable.
The biggest thing I've done is the floorboard extensions, and we actually have the floorboard relocation. I know you got on one of the first M8s that ever come out, and one of the biggest things you said is how high and how narrow the foot position is.
Yeah, we'll put the video to that up here.
Yeah, and I agree. They're too close. My heel rested on the front exhaust head pipe, and it shouldn't have been that way. So, you know, necessity breeds innovation. So what we came out with is a floorboard relocation kit that moves the floorboards out an inch and forward, and that's how they should be, I think, from the factory. I didn't lose virtually any lean angle. You know, the floorboards are already high on the M8 Softail, so that's not a concern.
In the next video linked in the description, Kevin discusses bagger and trike comfort mods.
Literally is the difference between being uncomfortable after 2 or 3 or 4 hours and being able to go 8 or 9 hours and still not being uncomfortable. And and the suspension is very important. But absent a comfortable seat and a backrest, absent places to put my feet, you know, with the floorboard extensions, and absent having the handlebars in the right location, the suspension is not going to make up for any of those.
Check out all the videos linked in the description below and get the ultimate comfort on your Harley. Thanks for watching. Y'all ride safe.